Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel that is Learning Never Ends. In my previous video, we have discussed about the image formation of concave mirror and convex mirror. So in this video, we will discuss about the image formation of concave mirror, concave lens and convex lens. So we already know concave lens is a diverging lens. And convex lens is a converging lens. And in mirror cases, it is just opposite. Concave mirror is a converging mirror and convex mirror is a diverging mirror. So, it is the convex lens. It's a principal axis. It's a optical center of this convex lens. It is f1, that is first focus. It is 2f1, that is center of curvature. This is 2f1 is twice of f1. Here f2 and this is 2f2. So the first case is when object is at infinity. Then object is at infinity. Then infinity से ray जाएगी object की eyes से. Then it is a converging mirror. So just mid में. Then it converges it into f2. Okay. Again, and another object which is at infinity, it converges it into f2. Why it converges? Because it is a converging lens. Convex lens is a converging lens. ये convex lens की image formation है. So the first one, image कहाँ बनी है हमारी? Image is real and inverted. ये रियल साइड है, ये वर्चुअल साइड है. पॉइंट साइज क्या है? पॉइंट साइज, बिकॉज इट इज एट f2, सो इट इज पॉइंट साइज्ड. हाईली डिमिनिश्ड है, पॉइंट साइज्ड है, एंड एट पोजीशन at f2. Okay, got it? Whenever an object is at infinity, then image is at f2 in convex lens. Now the second case is when object is at 2f1. 2f1 पर होगा ऑब्जेक्ट, तब क्या केस बनेगा? Then it is a converging lens, or you can say convex lens. It is a principal axis, optical center. f1 is the first focus and 2f1 is the second focus. It is f2, that is second focus, and 2f2. Now the object is at 2f1, A and B. So a ray arises from the edge of the object, or you can say eyes of the object, and then it converges it into f2, right? सेकेंड रे ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से होगी. इट्स लाइक दिस. सो दिस वन A डैश B डैश. इट मीन्स दोनों जहाँ मर्ज करेंगी वहाँ होगा, दोनों रेज जहाँ मर्ज करेंगी ऑप्टिकल सेंटर की, और हमारे ऑब्जेक्ट की वहाँ हमारी इमेज होगी. सो ए डैश बी डैश इज़ द इमेज एंड ए बी इज़ द ऑब्जेक्ट. सो यहाँ इमेज कैसी है, रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड. अगेन रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड. साइज क्लियरली सीन, ए बी इज जस्ट इक्वल टू दी ए डैश बी डैश. सो साइज क्या होगा, सेम साइज. पोजीशन at 2f2 means whenever object is at 2f1 then image is at 2f2. Got it? The third image formation of convex lens is at beyond 2f1 means 2f1 से पहले है. Beyond means पहले. So it is a convex lens. It's a principal axis again. It's a optical center. It's f1. First focus it's 2f1. It's f2 and it's 2f2. So image is beyond the 2f1. It is A and B. So एक रे जाएगी हमारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स के थ्रू, जस्ट सेंटर से हमारी कन्वर्ज हो जाएगी बिकॉज इट इज़ अ कन्वर्जिंग लेंस एट f2. नेक्स्ट रे फ्रॉम ऑप्टिकल सेंटर, सो इट्स लाइक दिस एंड इसका जो जहाँ मर्जिंग पॉइंट है इट इज़ अ इमेज. So now image is, in this case image is between f2 and 2f2. size कैसा बना इमेज का, diminished. It is all smaller than this. So smaller in size and real and inverted. It is a position and real and inverted. Got it? The fourth case is when object is at f1, that is focus, first focus पर object है. So it is again a convex lens. It is the principal axis. It's a optical center. Now it is f1. It is f2 f1. It is f2. It is 2f2. Now the object is at f1. So this is the object shown by AB. This one then converges. It is a converging lens, that's why it converges at f2, and one ray comes from the optical center. So it is infinity, means image is, in this case image is real and inverted. Position at infinity and size infinity पर है तो obviously highly large image is formed. Now the fifth case arises when object is between f1 and 2f1. Now this is a convex lens. it is a principal axis, it is a optical center, again it's f1 first focus, it's 2f1 second focus, it's f2 it's 2f1 and it is f2 and 2f2. Now the object is between f1 and 2f1, so between f1 and 2f1 it's like this. AB is the object, then a rays arises from the edge of the object and it converges into f2. Okay, then next ray arises from optical center, it's like this. Then these rays merge at a point that is behind the f2, so it is A dash B dash. So in this case image is or real and inverted because it is in right side, larger in size and real and inverted, larger in side and behind 2f2. Now the last case of convex lens, the image formation of convex lens is when object is at between O and F1. Okay, it is very much important because we will discuss later why it is important. So it is a convex lens. मैं जल्दी जल्दी में ये बना रही हूँ, आप और अच्छे से बना सकते हैं प्रैक्टिस करके. It is a optical center, it is f1, it is 2f1, here it is f2, it is 2f2. So now object is between O and F, so it's like this, and it is a converging lens. Convex lens is a converging lens, so it's like this, it converges at f2. Now a ray ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से भी एक रे जाएगी, दिस वन. These rays merges at a point, this one, यहाँ merge कर रही है. This merging point is the A dash B dash. It is the image. So image is now. That's why it is important, because in this case image is virtual and erect. Larger in size. Only in this case image is virtual and erect, otherwise it is always real and inverted. Larger in size. Okay, so these are the image formation of convex lens. Again एक बार study कर लेते हैं. When object is at infinity, then the image will be at f2. It is point size, real and inverted, and at f2. Position is at f2. The next one is when object is at 2f1, then the same size of the image formed, and it is at 2f2 and real and inverted. The next one is when object is at beyond 2f1, it means beyond means पहले, 2f1 से पहले. Then image is between the f2 and 2f2 and small in size and real and inverted because it is at positive side of the convex lens. Next one is when object is at f1, then image is at infinity. So infinity, it means highly large in size. Position at infinity, image is real and inverted. The fifth case is when object is between f1 and f2, 2f1. So it is between the f1 and 2f1 and the image is behind the 2f2, means 2f2 के बाद. Larger in size, clearly दिख रहा है B is smaller than the A dash B dash, so larger in size, behind 2f2 and image is real and inverted. It is the very important case. Here object is between the F1 and the O, this one, and the image is behind this. That means virtual and erect. Done. Now image formation of concave lens. Concave lens में only and only two cases हैं. The first one is when object is at infinity. So what will happen when object is at infinity? So it is a concave lens. It is a principal axis. It is a optical center. Now is at infinity, so it is a diverging lens, right? Convex lens is a converging lens and concave lens is a diverging lens. So it diverges all the lights. So ये क्या करेगा? Diverge कर देगा, just like that. Diverge हो जाएगा, but ये कहीं ना कहीं कन्वर्ज होगी at F1, but virtually, right? Otherwise it is a diverging lens. So image is at F1. Now in this case, image, position of image is at F1, virtual and erect. शॉर्ट में लिख रही हूँ मैं virtual and erect and point sized. Okay, now the last one is when object, the last case is when object is between optical center means O and infinity. This is the symbol of infinity. So what will happen? It is a concave lens. It is a principal axis. Again, it's a optical center. It's F1. It's 2F1. It's F2. It's 2F2. Now infinity और कहीं पर भी है ये ऑप्टिकल सेंटर के, तो हम जस्ट यहाँ ले लेते हैं, जस्ट लाइक के हमारी ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पर है ए बी. देन a ray arises from the object and it is a diverging lens, so it diverges the rays like this. ओके, बट एक रे हमारी ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से भी है. यहाँ ये दोनों का जहाँ मर्ज होगा वहाँ पर क्या होगी, हमारी इमेज होगी. ए डैश पी डैश इज द इमेज एंड ए बी इज द ऑब्जेक्ट. सो पोजीशन क्या होगी इमेज की? ऑब्वियसली नेगेटिव साइड में है. देन वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट, आई एम टेकिंग शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स. साइज clearly seen, smaller, small size, and virtual and direct, and between O and F1. Done. So whenever object is at infinity, then image is at F1, and when object is between the optical center and the infinity, then image will be at virtual and direct and between O and F1. Thank you guys, hope you all are getting my points. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you.